Hello everyone, my name is Shivam and I'm a UI UX designer. Today I'm going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So let's start with the review. It's a Learn UI UX design program by And Academy. It is a very good styling in terms of UI design and typography. And if we go down, job guarantee is also there. UX, wireframing, design thinking, user research. Overall, the UI of this page is good as they have a very creative approach in terms of highlighting the main points. And 70% of business, 8.5 LP is there. And tools they are going to teach you is Figma, Illustrator, InDesign, Miro, and UI UX design AI tools. But they have not provided a detail about the AI tools they are going to teach you, like Framer, Invision, and Figma Make, FigJam, and XD and Adobe Sketch is also missing, which are the important tools in terms of UI UX. And these are the student work. Portfolio is very less. Career support is also there, and testimonial is there. Mentors is also there. The course fees is it's approximately 74,000 and diploma is 1,26,000, which is a bit high, a very high in terms of other courses available in the market. And PG diploma is about 1,89,000 plus GST. It is very actually high. And if we give about the course, these are the FAQs and all, and it's a footer. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. User research fundamental is also there, so it's 0.5 for me. UI design quality, I liked it, so it's a 1 for me. Hand-on project is not there. Tools and software training is 0.5 for me. And mentorship and feedback is again 0.5 for me. And portfolio development is there, so it's a 1 for me. Placement and career support is there, so it's a 1 for me. Course values versus fees is 0 in terms of course fees is very high and not appropriate according to the course structure and fundamentals. So it's a 0 for me. Industry relevance update is also a 0 for me. So if we give a rating according to out of 10, it's a 5 out of 10 and it's a average course on a beginner level, but again there are many better courses in market which are better by this course and covers all the aspects. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters in terms of UI design quality, hand-on projects, and also helping placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can definitely check out from there. And if you have any problem related to UI tools and software training you are going to learn, you can drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.